Welcome back, guys, and that's right, you guessed it, we are reviewing the Definitive Technologies Studio 3D Mini Soundbar and Sub. I mean, we haven't even talked about its performance, but I'm already impressed. There's a lot of brands out there that make unboxing a new product a real treat, and you saw it for yourself, Definitive Technologies is one of them. A nice clean package for all your manuals and instructions. Then you've also got this box here for all the cables and accessories that come with it. And it also comes with this measurement strip, which you can put right on the wall and mark the spots here and here so that you can get your soundbar mounted and on your way. So let's talk about the Studio 3D Mini and what it's packing in terms of specs. With its 6-driver array, Dolby Atmos and DTS compatibility, and built-in streaming capabilities, the Studio 3D Mini doesn't mess around. With its 2 aluminum dome tweeters and 4 racetrack drivers, including 2 side-firing drivers for a wide detailed soundstage, the Studio 3D Mini makes every movie an award winner for sound. With Dolby Atmos and DTS compatibility, the Studio 3D Mini delivers a natural, multi-dimensional sound experience that puts you in the center of the action. On the back of the soundbar, you have a few options for input, which include connections for an aux, optical, and 4K HDMI with ARC and eARC support. On the top of the soundbar, we have the power button, the input button, Bluetooth, and volume controls. But its true talent is that it can actually produce a cinematic audio experience with a small frame. When Definitive Technology says it's an ultra compact soundbar, there really should be a huge emphasis on ultra compact. It will fit just about anywhere, being over 2 feet wide and less than 2 inches tall. You can mount it just under the TV and no one would even notice it. And in a sense, this is a bonus for those true cinephiles who want to appreciate the film without any distractions. Along with the soundbar, you also get a wireless and relatively compact subwoofer that means business. This long throw 8-inch wireless subwoofer may blend into the room, but the powerful bass it delivers is guaranteed to attract attention. We're talking clean, tight, and punchy bass that will be sure to surprise you. In terms of connectivity, it doesn't miss a beat. With HEOS built in for high-res music, you can access millions of tracks right from your phone. Connect Tidal, Spotify, Amazon Music, Pandora, Deezer, and more. Plus, it's Roku TV ready and supports Apple AirPlay 2 for easy connectivity. With full integration capabilities, you can actually work it right into your home automation platforms, such as Control4 and URC, which our custom install team will gladly help you out with. Well, if you did like this video, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below if you do have any other questions about the Definitive Technology Studio 3D Mini Soundbar. Remember to subscribe, hit that bell, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.